Hey publishers, welcome to this video. If you own a website, blog, or traffic source, Hilltopads is the smart way to maximize your earnings. You can choose from high-performing ad formats like pop-unders, push notifications, native ads, and banners, all optimized for maximum revenue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a high-earning ad format called Video Slider, which can significantly boost your website income. So don't let your traffic go to waste. Click the link to create an account. To get started, create your Hilltopads account by clicking the link provided in the description of this video. When signing up, make sure to select I am a publisher if your goal is to monetize your blog or website. Fill in the required information carefully, and don't forget to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions before submitting your registration. After signing up, you'll be taken to the welcome page, where you'll receive a step-by-step guide on how to get started with the platform. Begin by selecting your preferred language from the list provided, and choose the language you'd like to receive email notifications in. Next, watch the introductory videos to better understand how the platform works, and follow the prompts to complete your initial settings. Don't forget to check your email inbox for the verification link. Click it to verify your account, then log in to access the full dashboard and start monetizing. Simply click on Add Website to submit your domain and complete the verification process. For additional controls and insights, head over to the Manage Sites and Zones tab. Hilltopads isn't just for bloggers. If you're active on social media or you're a mobile app developer, you can also monetize your audience and app traffic easily through this platform. Before we start setting up the ads, I highly recommend you try your luck with the holiday giveaway pub spin wheel provided by the Hilltopads marketing team. They're offering multiple gifts for both beginner publishers and active users, so it's a fun way to get rewarded while learning the platform. Be sure to join the game and give it a spin. For this tutorial, I'll assume you're already verified and have added your blog to Hilltopads. From here, navigate to Manage Sites and Zones. Next, navigate to the Website tab. Click the Add Website button, enter your domain name in the designated field, and select the category that best fits your site. Finally, click Add Website to register your site. Once added, you can start creating zones and choosing ad formats to monetize your traffic. Here, you'll find multiple zone types to choose from. Take a moment to review each option and select the one that best fits your blog's layout, design, and content category. Choosing the right zone type ensures that the ads integrate smoothly with your site, providing a better experience for your visitors while maximizing your potential revenue. Pick your preferred zone type and give it a name for easy identification. For this video, we'll use the Video Slider zone. Once selected, click Add Zone to generate the zone code. Copy the entire code and head over to your blog's dashboard. On your blog dashboard, go to the Layout section and find the spot where you want to place your ad. Click Add a Gadget. Select HTML/JavaScript and paste the entire zone code into the Content section. Finally, click Save to apply the changes and preview your blog to make sure the ad displays correctly. As you can see, once the Video Slider zone is active on your blog, a pop-up video appears at the bottom right corner of your page. The design is clean and unobtrusive, so it doesn't interfere with your visitors' browsing experience. What's great about this ad format is that it rotates different videos for each visitor, keeping the content fresh and engaging. This not only improves the user experience, but also helps maximize your revenue potential, as each visitor sees a unique video ad tailored to your audience. The Video Slider is an excellent choice for blogs of any niche because it combines visual appeal, interactivity, and monetization in a single, easy-to-implement format. If you'd like more guidance and want to learn everything from zero to hero, I've created a full series of tutorials that cover the entire process step by step. These videos will help you master Hilltopads, from setting up your account and adding your website to choosing the best ad formats and optimizing your earnings. The playlist link is in the description. Check it out and follow along to learn tips and strategies to maximize your website revenue and make the most of every visitor.